In this video, we're going to install this. This is the crankshaft pulley assembly. It uses, has 4 bolts, 9/16, and it's installed right here. Right? I'm going to film this right now. Okay, we're going to install this right now. Here's the assembly. 1 bolt. I'm testing my lighting and cameras too. That's got 1 thread started. Second thread started. There were no washers with this. This is the damper right here behind it. It's what they call it. It has a rubber piece. I did clean off the bolts using a wire brush. Okay, 9/16. There you go. It's now installed. I'm going to go see how the camera stuff looks and maybe post it.